Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, students. Today we are going to see an introduction for Roman numbers. Okay, let us start. Here I, V, X, L, C, D and M are the symbols used to write the numbers in Roman number system. The value of I is 1, the value of V is 5, the value of X is 10, the value of L is 50, the value of C is 100, the value of D is 500, value of M is 1000. The Roman number system does not have a symbol for 0. There is no symbol for 0, and it does not use the place value system to write numbers. Here the symbols I, V, X, L and C are used to write the numbers 1 to 100 according to the rules. Let us see the rules. The first rule is numerals I, X and C can be repeated. Repetition means addition. I, X and C can be repeated up to 3 times. Let us see one example. The value of I is equal to 1. If we are writing I 2 times, what is the meaning of that? Repetition means addition. So we have to add. The value of I is 1 plus the value of another I is 1. So the value of the Roman number is 2. If we are writing I 3 times, we have to add 1 3 times. So the value of the Roman number is 3. Can we write for 4 I for 4? No, we should not write like this for 4 because we can repeat the symbols up to 3 times only. We should not repeat more than 3 times. Is it clear? Like that, for the next symbol X, the value of the X is 10. If we are writing 2 times means we have to add 10 2 times. 10 plus 10, 20. Okay, the value of the Roman number is 20. If we are writing 3 times, we have to add 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. So the value of the Roman number is 30. Can we write for 40 x? No, we should not write like this because we can repeat up to 3 times only. Okay children? Like that for C also. What's the value of C? Is 100, isn't it? If we are writing C 2 times, what's the meaning of that? 100 plus 100. That is 200. If we are writing 3 times, C, 100 plus 100 plus 100. Isn't it? So what's the value of that? 300. Can we write C for 400? No, we should not write because we can repeat up to 3 times only. Is it clear children? The next rule is a numeral written after a numeral of bigger value is added. Let us see one example. VI. The value of V is 5. The value of I is 1. The numeral written after a bigger value is added. Comparing these two, 5 is a greater value. The value of I is smaller, isn't it? So, we have to add 1 to 5. A numeral written after the numeral of the bigger value is added. So, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. The value of the Roman number is 6. Then, let us see one more. Xi. Again, the value of X is greater than I, isn't it? The numeral written after a numeral of bigger value is added. So we have to add 1 to 10. So 10 plus 1, 11. Is it clear, children? Can you understand? Shall we go to the next one? The next rule is a numeral which written before a numeral of bigger value is subtracted. Let us see one example. IV, a numeral written before a numeral of bigger value is subtracted. Here V and I. V is greater than I, isn't it? So the numeral I should be subtract from V. So the value of V is 5 minus the value of I is 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. The value of the Roman number is 4. Is it clear, children? A numeral written before a numeral of bigger value is subtracted. Let us see one more example. X. Here X is the greater value. The value of I is smaller, isn't it? So we have to subtract 1 from 10. Then 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. The value of the Roman number is 9. Is it clear, children? The next rule, rule number 4. If a number is placed between two number of greater value, it is subtracted from the number on the right. Let us see one example. X, I, V. Here I is placed between two number of greater value. Comparing to this, X is greater and 5 is also greater. So we have to subtract the value of I from the number on the right, from 5. Is it clear? I is placed between two number of greater value. So we have to subtract the value of I from the number on the right. So the value of X is 10 plus we have to subtract 1 from 5. 5 minus 1. So 10 plus 4, 14. The value of the Roman number is 14. Let us see one more example. X, I, X. Here again I is placed between two number of greater value. So we have to subtract the value of I from the number on the right. So the value of X is 10 plus we have to subtract 1 from 10 which is on the right. So 10 minus 1. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. So the value of the Roman number is 19. Is it clear, children? The next one is I can be subtracted from V and X. We can subtract I from V and X only. For 4, we can subtract I from V. For 9, we can subtract I from X. But for 49, we can't subtract I from L. Like that, for 99, we can't subtract I from C. We can subtract I from only from V and X. Is it clear, children? Like that, X can be subtracted from L and C. For 40, we can subtract X from L, and for 90, we can subtract X from C. But we should not subtract X from any other numbers. Is it clear, children? The next one, V and L are never subtracted. We should not subtract V and L from any other numbers. Is it clear? These are the rules we are using to write the numbers in Roman number system. Okay. By using the rules, we are writing the Roman numerals for Hindu-Arabic numerals. Here, the Roman numerals are given for the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Here 1 to 10. Here 11 to 20. 21 to 30. 31 to 40. 41 to 50. Here 100 to 1000. Here the Roman numeral for 100 is C. For 200 we are writing C, C. Multiplication means addition. So we are adding 100 plus 100. For 300 C, C, C. 3 times. We have to add 100 plus 100 plus 100. Okay. But we should not write C, 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 C for 400. But we can subtract C from D. The value of D is 500. We can subtract 100 from 500. Then we will get 400. The value of D is 500. For 600, D, C. We are adding 100 to 500. Here we are adding 200 to 500. Here D, C, C, C. We are adding 300 to 500. Then we will get 800. Here can we write D, C, 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 C for 900? No, we should not write like this. But we can subtract C from M. The value of M is 1000. We can subtract 100 from 1000. The value of M is 1000. Is it clear? Like that, we are using the rule to write the numbers in Roman number system. Is it clear, children? Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow.